dream I know, deep up my feelings for you.
The Edo State chapter of the People Democratic Party on Sunday accused the State Police Command of acting in a manner that suggests that they are working for APC. My people, you don't set. So my people, may una not go anywhere, may una calm down. I'm not gonna like make una miss this wonderful news. But before I go yarn na the story, I go like welcome una especially to my wonderful channel, Reality Latest GC, home of news and politics. Thank you all so much for joining us. So if today is your first time to join our wonderful channel, I beg, may you like, subscribe and share. But don't forget to turn on notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video. To all amazing subscribers, thank you so much for joining us. So guys, let's proceed. My people, the Edo State chapter of the People Democratic Party on Sunday don't come out gonna accuse the State Police Command of acting in a manner that suggests that they are working for APC. My people know be small while out because within PDP can they talk be say. He say he gave one policeman with the Edo State that the policeman preferred to attend to issues raised by the APC and the agent, while disregarding complaints by other actors in the polity. The chairman of the party in Edo State, Dr. Tony Ezebami, made the accusation while addressing journalists in Benin City, where he noted that few weeks ago, the Deputy Director General, Media and Publicity of the PDP Election Campaign Council, Reverend Olu Martins, was invited and arrested by officers of the Nigeria Police Force based on petition written against him. When the talk say that invitation will be said they send give Olu Martins. It's an ominous sign for the forthcoming governorship election in the state. So he explained that Olu Martins was subsequently arraigned in court and granted bail after meeting the necessary bail condition set by the trial judge, and the case was subsequently adjourned. Dr. Ezebami disclosed that, on the contrary, as the chairman of the PDP in Edo State, that he wrote a petition over comments by the chairman of the state chapter of the APC, where he threatened to mobilize and lead youth to stone the Edo State Governor, Mr. Godwin Obaseki. My people don't be small. So he described the utterance as a clear recipe for violence and chaos in the state, given the sensitivity of the office of the governor, adding that a video evidence of the threats and accompanying petition was submitted to the Commissioner of Police in Edo State, but they were surprised that no action has been taken on the matter since the petition was submitted, unlike the swift manner in which the police responded to the petition against the Deputy Director General, Media and Publicity for the PDP Campaign Council. On Thursday, July 18, talks linked to the APC unleashed mayhem on innocent citizens along the Benin Airport Road in the guise of welcoming the impeached Deputy Governor Philip Shaibu and the governorship candidate of the APC, Mondo Mobolo. So the ensuing chaos led to the destruction of property of law-abiding members of the public and the unfortunate death of the police officer. So there are video evidence and a newspaper publication of this incident which clearly identify thugs and members of the APC who carried out this wanton destruction of property and breach of public peace. So Tony Ezebami talk say a petition to which all the evidence was attached was again submitted to the Commissioner of Police in Edo State, but unfortunately and predictably, the Police Commission has failed to act on this petition, and none of the people has been arrested. Rather, they have deployed a tactical team of policemen to arrest and harass at least 22 members and leaders of the PDP in Edo State who are currently under heavy surveillance. That in connection with the said public disturbance of Thursday, July 18, even though there is no evidence to show that they were at the scene of the said event. Now, Tony Ezebami they talk say, from waiting they see where police people dey, that their action and inaction in the wake of the development in Edo State appear to be acting a script in selective justice, preferring and not picking the petition over which it acts. Rather, they prefer to be better disposed to attend to petitions raised by the APC. So they will like to stress that the police is funded with taxpayers' money and is obligated to act in a manner that preserves public peace, ensuring that everyone has equal and unhindered access to justice. So they are concerned about this pattern of abuse of justice dangerously perpetrated by the Nigeria Police Force, especially in the run-up to the September 21st governorship election. So my people, the PDP are disturbed about this action of Nigeria Police Force in Edo State. because the chairman of the Edo State PDP said that the preferential conduct portend a rather disturbing trend that must be checked in the interest of peace in the state. They should enjoin the police to keep to their professional mandate and not to act as an instrument in the hands of desperate politicians who are hell-bent on destroying the state in pursuit of their selfish end. So they are calling on the Inspector General of Police to use his good office and information to ensure that the actual criminals are brought to book as against the innocent member of society being that has been accused unjustly. Because the actual criminals are parading the street freely and bragging about that nothing can happen to them as long as they belong to the ruling party APC. My people don't be small matter. So now, the PDP has called on the IGP to safeguard and uphold democracy, and they should be seen to protect the rule of law in the state, adding that Nigeria belongs to all the citizens and the right of membership of association is guaranteed by the Constitution. Now, when contacted for reaction, the Edo State Commissioner of Adeboye, he said that the cases are in Abuja now, so any inquiry should go to the first CID. My people don't be small about that. You don't get anything where APC no fee bribe. Now, what the PDP they try to tell us, say now they don't go arrange police officers that are working for them, and whatever compliance they are laying to the police, they are not even regarding it at all. Rather, they will quickly attend to the one of APC. I make PDP don't they cry and they come out now and say they want peace in this forthcoming election. So the IGP of police should direct their police officers to act accordingly to avoid chaos, to avoid violence in this forthcoming governorship election. Hey, my people get us the matter view. Because right now, all they are pleading for is for peace to reign on that day of the governorship election. Because including the state commissioner of police, they are the same way. Because when you hear about the matter, instead of them to look for a way to address the issue, he went on by saying that the case have been transferred to Abuja. So whatever observation or comment anybody has should be directed to Abuja. Hey, my people don't be spoiled. Everybody try dodge for himself. But we pray for peace to reign in Edo State, because with the way these people they go, something will happen. But we know pray make it happen. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, your opinions are in our comment section. I would love to hear from you. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us. But if you haven't subscribed to our page yet, please don't forget to like and subscribe and also share. But don't forget to turn on the notification bell. You get notified whenever we drop our video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the trend and latest news happening on social media. To all amazing subscribers, thank you so much for joining us. Really do appreciate. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Till I come your awareness, stay safe guys. Bye.